Arthritis has increased in the last 20 years to 66 million Americans, and women are twice as likely as men to develop joint disease. The number of people suffering from joint-related diseases, pain, and disorders is growing at a staggering rate. With the chronic pain of arthritis and joint diseases, you lose your freedom of mobility. Unfortunately, conventional drug treatments often cause serious side effects themselves, such as gastrointestinal bleeding, cardiovascular disorders, kidney problems, and skin disorders, to name a few. What if there was an effective, more natural approach to maintain and even regain joint health? What if you can enjoy the freedom to be active with no pain? Introducing Joint Again, a powerful formulation of herbs and natural nutrients proven to reduce joint inflammation, irritation, and encourage the body to heal joints more naturally. Joint Again has been designed and researched by the scientists at FKC International to provide the most effective, natural sources of herbs and natural components to help heal, restore, and rebuild joint tissues.
There are close to 200 joints in the human body, and each joint is a dynamic cushion-like structure, protecting the bones like a sponge from friction against one another. The joints can be damaged. It can be damaged by strenuous activity, and they can be weakened further by genetics, aging, being overweight, or by an unhealthy diet. Foods with excessive sugar, salt, protein, and dairy can cause toxic byproducts to deposit in the joints. These deposits are actually crystals that cause damage, and damage causes inflammation and pain. There are 355 million adults around the world with arthritis today. 2/3 of these are women. 1 in 5 American adults has arthritis or chronic joint symptoms. It's the leading cause of disabilities of Americans over 15 years of age.
The scientists at FKC International believe it's important to utilize the least toxic method for healing to avoid harmful side effects.
Joints can naturally heal themselves if provided with the natural building blocks the body needs. Synthetic drugs commonly used to heal joints can have serious side effects. We at FKC International developed Joint Again with a system that works naturally. The first step is reduce the inflammation and swelling in the joint. And the second step is provide the joint with a balance of the natural nutrient it needs to rebuild itself.
Now there's a natural solution to help you regain your freedom of mobility without pain.
Joint Again has curcumin, which is a potent natural anti-inflammatory herb found in the Indian spice turmeric. And it has boswellia, which is another natural herb that helps reduce the production of leukotriene molecules. Leukotrienes are strong inflammation-causing proteins found in the body. The other part of Joint Again provides a balance of vitamin C in combination with a high dose of glucosamine to give the joint the essential nutrients to support healing. Vitamin C, when used with the correct amount of glucosamine, helps collagen fibers to reform. Collagen is very important because it's the scaffolds of joints. Balanced nutrition is part of the key to Joint Again's success. For example, scientific research has shown that too much vitamin C can provoke osteoarthritis. But when used in the proper amount, it helps in the restoration of joint structure. Glucosamine is a natural sugar found in the cartilage of joints. It's the building block for the joint's matrix tissue. This matrix tissue is what improves the cushioning and lubricating functions of your joints. By the way, research has shown that glucosamine is more effective as a natural joint supplement when taken with plenty of water.
Joint Again has been used around the world by people suffering from joint pain and arthritis.
I play basketball once a week. Play with a group of buddies every Saturday. And one Saturday I hurt my knee, and it was pretty bad. So I started to think, maybe it's arthritis, maybe I'm getting old, maybe there's no cure, maybe I need to play less, I don't know. My wife, a friend of hers, recommended Joint Again, and I took it, not really thinking too much of it. 4 weeks later, I was back out on the court, as good as new, playing just as well as I'd ever played, and I would recommend it to anybody. Any one of my friends, and it happens all the time. Joint Again, you take it 4 weeks later, good as new.
I'm not really sure how I hurt my joint. I don't remember anything specifically happening, but I remember it hurting. I mean, it just started to hurt. My wrist was just killing me. And I'm like, what's going on here? I mean, I'm too young to be falling apart like this, right? So I'm complaining about it, you know, to a buddy of mine, and he goes, "Hey, dude, I got some stuff you got to try." And okay, what? He goes, "It's called Joint Again," and I tried it. I'll tell you what. Maybe 2 weeks later, I mean, I was starting to feel a real difference. And then, as I kept taking it, it kept getting better. As I kept taking it, it got cured, I think. I mean, I can totally use my wrist, doing all the things I was doing like a month ago, where it was killing me, and it's not killing me now. It's got to be the Joint Again, because I'm not doing anything different besides that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that stuff. I mean, it totally worked.
Now you know the truth about healing your joints. There is a natural option. Joint Again. Help your body heal your joints more naturally. Contact your FKC member for more information.